Good morning, class 12th. Welcome to today's session of accounts. We are continuing with our first chapter, Partnership Fundamentals, and topic for today is Manager Admitted as a Partner with Retrospective Effect. This is a very short topic, yet very important. You have to understand what do you mean by this topic. Actually, in this topic, Manager Admitted as Partner. The person who was working in our firm as a manager, we are now entering him as a partner in our business. Who was working as a manager, now we are entering him as a partner. But with retrospective effect, what is the meaning of retrospective effect? We are not entering him as a partner from today. We will enter him as a partner from few previous years. For example, this is 2020 going and I am saying कि I will admit my manager as a partner with effect from 2018. That means I am taking decision today, but that manager will be considered as a partner from 2018. That means from 2 years back. This is what is the meaning of retrospective effect from few previous years. And those number of previous year will be stated to you in the question. So you have to consider all those previous 2 years entries, transactions which are done to him as a manager. What we have to do? We have to cancel all the 2 years transaction done with him as a manager, and we will re-enter those transactions with him as a partner. Right? So let us discuss a question related to this topic. This topic is very short, students, but this is very, very important. Please don't ignore it. This is very important for exam point of view also. Okay, let us discuss a question related to this. So students, this is the question. Question says that there are two partners A and B and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. They are saying on 31st March 2018 they decided to take C as a partner. C, some person who is working as a manager in their firm, they have decided that they will consider him as a partner with effect from 1st April 2015. What is the date today? Today is 2018, 31st March 2018, on which they have decided, and they have to he has to be considered as a partner with effect from 2015. That means the entire year of 2015-16, 16-17 and 17-18. That means from 3 previous years we have to consider him as a partner. This is a topic of manager admitted as a partner with retrospective effect. Okay, students. So what he was getting as a manager? He was getting a salary of 45,000 and he has also advanced a loan of 3 lakh. He has given a loan of 3 lakh to the firm and he was getting an interest of 10% per annum on that loan. Okay, he was getting a salary of 45,000 and he was getting a interest on loan of 10%, right? 3 years profit after C's salary. In the previous 3 years, that is 2016, 2017 and 2018, right? In these 3 years, we have considered him as a manager, right? But now we have to consider him as a partner. So 3 years profit after C's salary. Interest on loan and interest on capital to partners are. They have given us the 3 years profit. From these profits, we have already deducted C's salary, interest on loan and interest on capital to partners. Right? That means the adjustments has already been done. The adjustments which we have done as a salary and interest on loan in the past 3 years will be now considered wrong. Right? Because we have given him salary and interest on loan as a manager, but now we have to consider him as a partner. So those salary and interest on loan which we have given him in the previous 3 years will be considered wrong now. Now what will be considered right? Whatever he deserves to get as a partner will be considered right. So they have given 2016 they have a profit of 4 lakh. In 2017 there is a loss. In the year 2017 they haven't earned profit. They were suffering losses of 2 lakh rupees. In 2018 they had earned a profit of rupees 6 lakh. So now as a partner, what he will get as a partner, he will get an annual salary of 35,000. He must be doing some extra work, so he is getting a salary of 35,000 annually. Right, and one fifth share in profit, and whatever will be the profit of the firm, he will get 1/5 share in the profit. Okay, C's loan will be treated as his capital. The 3 lakh loan which he has given to the firm, this 3 lakh loan which he has given to the firm will be now considered as a capital. Right? They will consider that this was his capital and he will get interest on capital at the rate of 6% on that amount. Right? Understood now? This is the question. So, as a manager what he was getting, what is the profits of the firm, and as a partner what he will get. So let us solve this question, students. So students, I have made this table. So this table has 3 years which is already been given in the question. So what is the years? It is year 2016, year 2017 and year 2018. First of all, you will write down the profits which were given in the question. What was the profit? In the first year 2016 it was a profit of 4 lakh. In 2017 it was a loss of 2 lakh, and in 2018 it was a profit of 6 lakh. See, okay, we have written it right. Now what we have to do is, we have to cancel all the things which he was getting as a manager. So what he was getting as a manager? He was getting interest on loan and salary. So first of all, he has advanced a loan of 3 lakh. So he has to get 10% interest on loan, which was 30,000. 10% of 3 lakh is 30,000. So we have to cancel these 30,000 for 3 years, because he was getting these 3 years as interest on loan, but now he will not get this interest on loan. Next, he was getting a salary as a manager. What was his salary? His salary was 45,000, 45,000, 45,000. So we will cancel these 3 years salary also. Right? Okay, students. Now, what he will get as a partner? He will get a salary and interest on capital. Interest on capital. How much interest on capital he will get? He will get a interest on capital of 6%. What was his capital? His loan was considered as his capital. His loan was 3 lakh. So 6% of 3 lakh is 18,000. Right? So he will get 18,000 interest on capital only in 2016 and 18, because this point has already explained to you that in the year of loss, no interest on capital is given to partners. So in 2017, he will not get any interest on capital. Salary also, he will get 35,000 salary annually, but he will not get salary in the year of loss. Right? So now what we will do? We will look, interest on loan and salary. If it was not provided to manager, it would have been the profit for the firm. So we will add these two things in the profit. Right? And we will minus these two things, because this will reduce our profit, because we have to give these amounts to partners now. Right? So we will add this and this, third and fourth point, and we will deduct fifth and sixth point, because this will added back in the profits of the firm and this will be deducted from the profits of the firm. So in this adjusted profit we have done 2 plus 3 plus 4 minus 5 plus 6. 2 plus 3 plus 4 minus 5 minus 6. Understood why we have done this? Okay, by calculating you will get 4,22,000 and a loss of 1,25,000 and a profit of 6,22,000. Okay, students, that's it. Okay, now how much interest on loan manager was getting? 90,000. How much salary he was getting? 1,35,000. How much interest on capital he will get? 36,000. How much salary he will get? 70,000. And what is the profit Adjusted profit of the firm 9,19,000. He will get now interest on capital. He will also get salary, and he will also get 1/5 share of profit in the firm. It was said in the question now. It is written in the question. He will get 1/5 share in profit, right? 1/5 of 9,19,000, it is 1,83,800. So what I have done, I have made a seized capital account. I will cancel all the things. I will debit all the things which has already been given to him. For example, interest on loan is given to him 90,000. Right? I will cancel this 90,000. Salary is already given to him 1,35,000. I will cancel it. For cancelling it, we have to debit all these things. Now what he will get? He will get a profit of 1,83,800, 1/5 share of profit. Now he will get interest on capital 36,000, and he will get salary of 70,000. So we will credit in his account. So same method, which side is more? 2,89,800 and 2,25,000. This credit side is more by 64,800. So balance will be here. So we will credit seized capital account by 64,800. Now what we will do, students, this 64,800 will be given by the old partners in their old ratio, right? So seized capital account will be debited, old partners capital account will be debited in their old ratio. First of all, our first entry will be seized loan to seized capital. We have converted his loan account to his capital account 3 lakh, right? Now the profit which has to be given to him, 64,800, the excess profit, it should be given to him, and it will be given by the old partners A and B. So our entry will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit. C will get 64,800, whatever short credit, more credit was that, right? And it will be given by A and B in the ratio 3:2. If you will calculate 64,800 multiply 3 by 5, 64,800 multiply 2 by 5, you will get these amounts, right? So these two entries are the real solution of the question, and this capital account and this statement are the working notes, and the working notes are compulsory to make. I hope this question is clear to you. Right, let me give you one question as a homework. Please do it thoroughly. This question is very important. Students, do this question number 76 in your notebook. Okay? Sorry, you have to do question number 75 in your notebook, right? Okay? This 76 will do further. You have to do now only 75 questions. One question you have to practice. And if you find any problem, kindly contact me. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.